The premium quality, consistency, and great value for our products begins with sourcing the highest quality raw ingredients at a great price point, thanks to our 75+ years of industry relationships and status as premium vendors. Our chemistry is formulated using the purest water available, filtered by a state-of-the-art reverse osmosis water system in our manufacturing facilities. This exceptional quality of water ensures that the products produce a dense foam that attacks soils on the vehicle. All products manufactured in our facilities adhere to a strict batch protocol. Samples from every batch are retained for a minimum of 1 year to ensure consistency and stability. We're always innovating to improve our formulations, to ensure best-in-class performance and value for our customers. Our highly skilled chemists are always working to improve our formulations, to provide a cleaner vehicle at the best value for our customers. This ensures that we're only introducing proven products with exceptional performance. For the highest quality products and amazing consistency, trust our 75+ years of research, real-world testing, and customer feedback.